Location, beauty, style, and newly renovated is everything you'll love about this home. Large 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath located in prime area, completely upgraded. Open floor plan with new granite, new cabinets, new floors, fresh paint, new carpet upstairs, new bathrooms and stunning primary suite bathroom with new shower, new soaking tub and new custom vanity with double sinks. Inground sprinklers to convey as is. Seller has not used nor knows the condition of this item.